Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy J Spence and this is J Spence TV. Alright, what is going on everybody? So this video was slated for me to be doing a review and test drive, well not test drive but a drive of the Speed 3, but I was doing some work on the car prior to the video and I ended up breaking the factory boost controller. So I ended up ordering a boost controller from Grimmspeed, which I am going to be installing today. So that's what this video is about. Prior to this, when I was working on the car, I was doing the high pressure fuel pump and the Cobb access port. Thanks to my boy Josh for sending that to me all the way from Tennessee. So as I was doing that, I realized that I was getting all these codes and whatnot as I was driving it around. Talked to my boy back home in Kike in Orlando and they gave me some guidance. And when I looked under the engine bay, I did see two hoses that were broken and it ended up being hoses from the factory boost controller. So I went ahead and ordered that part. So today we are going to be installing that, so let's get to it. Alright, before we actually install it on the car, I actually need to unbox it. So check this out. Ordered it from Edge Autosport and it was at a good price. Guess they're all around the same price, a little bit over $100. What's in the box? Grimmspeed. Okay, all the nipples and bolts and hardware. The boost controller itself. Some rubber hoses. Yeah, definitely. Alright, so while the camera was charging, I went ahead and took out the battery box, the inlet tube, and the hoses, everything affiliated. So, that being said, this is the factory boost controller. And I did break the hoses attached to it, which are, this camera won't focus. Are right here. There's one, and the other one is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those, and let's see if I can get rid of these codes. Okay, so here's a little update. I did connect port 1 of the boost control to the wastegate down there. Port 2 can be connected to the inlet pipe. Just gotta cut it and then start putting everything back together. It is plugged in. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount it because I don't have a drill to actually put it on the battery box. So once I'm done, I'll give you an update. It's a pretty simple install. Just want to make sure I understand it and I don't break anything else. Okay, here's another update. So, like I said earlier, port 1 is to the wastegate. Port 2 is going to be on the turbo inlet pipe right here. And then port 3, since it is a stock turbo, I did block it off. I had to kind of make shift with the hose and some little connector and cap it off. So next is I'm going to put on the intake. Make sure everything's bolted up good, put the battery in, and start the car. So just give me a moment and I'll get back to you. Alright, I am finished. So I got everything buttoned up, everything's tightened, double checked. Right now I do have the EBCS right here. I'm about to hit the auto zone and get some zip ties so I can find a better location. Hopefully it starts right now, so I'm gonna record myself starting the car and driving just to make sure that everything is fine. But let's get to it. Last part. All right, let's get it started and start the car and see if this makes a difference. You gotta plug in the access port. Start. Okay, AFRs are steady. Oh yeah, it definitely feels a hell of a lot better than it did before. A hell of a lot better. Before, you know, it sounded like a lot of air was coming out, but now it feels a lot better. So I'm probably gonna do a pull right here. Nothing crazy, just a probably second or third gear pull. Monitor the AFRs. Completely missed third and hit fifth. All right, so I'm not overboosting. Don't know if I'm running lean or not. I probably got to update the tune on here. I'm just not sure what tune I do have, but I do put a tune, one of the off-the-shelf tunes. Oh. Yeah, that wasn't good, but capping out at around 10 pounds, 9 or 10 pounds of boost. Alright, so the electronic boost controller is successfully installed on the car. I'm not overboosting, I'm not running lean or rich anymore, thanks to that. But unfortunately, I am having an issue to where I am hitting about 10 pounds of boost at wide open throttle. So I'm gonna look more into that and see what's going on. Maybe there's a hose loose or not connected or something on my part, but the cars run smooth other than that. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video.